Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the mystical snow globe in Grow Garden game of Roblox Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the items from the Christmas update part 2. If you want to get this item, you need to have the rainbow gift or the gold gift, and you will have chance to get this mystical snow globe. And even though the Christmas update part 2 is over, you can still get the gift by joining the advent calendar. And from the day 15, you will be able to get the golden gift, and also the rainbow gift from this event. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how we can use it. So you can place this item in your garden, and let me find a place. Sorry, my garden is too crowded. Okay, let's just place it here. Okay, oops. Okay, I have two mystical snow globes, and we can make a wish, guys. I'm going to make a wish, and for the first wish, it's free. I'm going to tap and hold on it. Okay. It bless my holy berry with Arctic mutation, right? And for the second wish, we need 1 million shekels. Oh my god. Okay, let's just tap on that. Okay, it gave me mutation. And for the next wish, we need 1 trillion shekels. Okay, no worries. Oh, it gave me 100 XP. And let's try it again. And it will disappear after it spent our money. For the last wish, we need 6 trillion shekels. Oh my god. It just take our money. Okay, this is very bad item, guys. This is a trash. This is a joke. So it's not worth it. Oh my god. It just consumes our shekels. And okay guys, that's all about the mystical snow globe and Grow Garden game of Roblox Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!